This is checking the jets in a dishwasher. Most of your dishwashers have jets that come out where water come out the jets. That's these little holes here. You see that? And depending on the model that you have, you can normally take the bottom jet off. That's what I'm doing here. And it comes off. And you can check your jets. Most of the time they will be clear. If something was in them, you would see it. It'll be clogged up. So a lot of times you might want to just run some water in the back side of it and watch it come out the jet side. You see that? So this one is clear. So you put, just add your water off in there, and if it's coming out the bottom, that jet is clear. So this section is clear. If something was in there, it wouldn't come out as easy. And to clear this one, now this is the bottom one, just fill it up like this, shake it around, and whatever is in there would come out this funnel here. So this one is clear. There's another jet, depending on the model that you have. Let me put this back. In this model, it snaps in. Okay, once it snaps in, you see how freely that moves? So when your water comes through there, it shoots up and shoot all your hot water out on the bottom section. That's this rack right here. This is your top section. It has jets as well, depending on your model. You see those holes? And to check this one, you can normally spin it, and if something is in the jets or the hole, you would see it. This particular model has holes at the bottom of this. So let's take a look at those. Okay, and as I told you a minute ago, let's see if we can focus this on here. See that right there? That has something in the hole. You see it? In the middle of the screen. Don't be looking at the back. Okay. So, what I'm going to have to do is get something to get that out of there. You see that right there? Can you see it? That hole has something in it. And let's look at this one. This one has something in it as well. So, let me find something to dig that out. Hold tight, people. Okay, I got this toothpick, and I'm going to just try to pick whatever this is out. Okay, I see it coming up from the top. It's a crap. think I've pushed it on. Okay, I see. Okay, I'm gonna have to get something else to get this out. Hold tight, folks. Okay, this time I found some tweezers, and I think I can get whatever this is out right here. If I can find it. Push it back. Whatever it is, this is it right here. See that? Now that was in here. It's like a piece of metal from a Brillo pad. That's what it looked like. So I'm gonna put that to the side. I think everything is out this one. Okay, I see some more stuff in here. I think this is gonna come out when the dishwasher starts cycling. I think that's gonna come out on that one. So let's go to the other section here. That one is clogged up. You see that? That's clogged up. And whatever this is big. I'm looking right at it. It's not food. I think this is a piece of paper. It's large, and I just pushed it back, so I wish this one can come out. It's easy, like the bottom one. I have this problem. You all can see that it's breaking up whatever it is. I think I got it clear, whatever it is. It's this white stuff that's on here. I did break it up, whatever it was. It looked like it was some kind of piece of paper. think when the machine starts cycling, this is going to come out also. So I think that is fine. Okay, you see all it's this white stuff here, but I think it's going to be fine. It broke up whatever it was. And I'm looking at it like it's cake, some kind of cake stuff. So if you get the opportunity, or if you need to check your dishwasher, just make sure that all of your jets are clean. See, that one is cleaner now. See that? So that this hole is clean, and this one is clean. All of these are clean, and at the bottom that's clean. So I'm going to do a quick rinse on this, and then I'm gonna check it again to make sure all the holes are clean. And that's how you make sure that your jets on your dishwasher is clean, so you can have cleaner dishes. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and come back and check out some other videos I'm going to be posting. Thank you.